Have you ever stood at a crossroads in life unsure which path to take? Robert Frost's famous poem, The Road Not Taken, captures that exact moment, the quiet personal struggles of making choice that shape our destiny. Let's journey through this poem together line by line and uncover the deeper meaning hidden beneath its simple words. Two roads diverged in a yellow wood. The poem opens with a traveler, someone like you or me, standing in an autumn forest where two roads split and go in different directions. The yellow wood suggests fall a time of change, hinting that this moment is important, a turning point. And sorry, I could not travel both and be one traveler. Right away, we feel this tension. Life offers many paths, but we can only walk one at a time. We cannot live to live or explore every possibility. The poet stands there thinking deeply, wishing he could take both roads, but knowing he must choose. I looked down, one as far as I could, two where it bent. In the undergrowth, he examines one, rode carefully, trying to predict where it might land, but it bends and disappears, just like life. No matter how hard we try, we can never see too far into the future. Then took the other just as far, and having perhaps the better calm, because it was grassy and wanted wear. He picks the second road, it looked just as good as the first, maybe even a little better because it was grassy and locked less used. But here's the twist. Though as far that the passing he warned them really about the same, despite what he just said. He admits both roads were actually warned about the same. This shows how our mind can play trick on us. We often convince ourselves that our choice is unique or brave even when it might not be. And both that morning equally lay in leaves no step had trodden back. The roads were fresh, untouched, no one had walked on them. Yet that day, this moment, this decision is truly his own. It's personal, unmarked by others. Oh, I kept the first for another day. Yet knowing how way led on to way, he tells himself he will come back and try the first road another time. But deep down he knows the truth. One choice led to another, and it's unlikely he will ever return. I shall be telling this with a shy somewhere ages and ages hence. Now the poem shifts to the future. The traveler imagines himself years later, reflecting on this choice with a shy. But is it a shy of regret or a shy of contentment? Frost leave it open. To interpretation, I took the one less traveled by, and that has made all the differences. This line is most famous and the most debated. He claims he took the road less traveled by, and that is changed his life. But earlier he said both roads were about the same, or it is simply the one he chose, and now looking back it feels meaningful. So what does he mean? Maybe Robert Frost is saying it is not really about which road was better. It is about the act of choosing and how once we choose a path in life, we get it meaning. We look back and say that choice made all the differences. Frost is telling us life is full of choices. Often they seem small in the moment, but they shape who we become, and while we can never know where the other road might have led, we make peace by embarrassing by path we took. So Next time you find yourself at a fork in the road, whether it's choosing a career, a relationship, or a dream, remember this poem. Trust your instinct, walk your path, and later you will tell your own story of the road you took.